Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel BioExplorer. I am Dimujjaran. This is an educational channel and it will be very useful to improve your biological knowledge. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the interesting thing called water. Physical and chemical properties of water. We all know about water, which is one of our basic needs. The life could not exist on this planet without water. It is important due to following reasons. Vital chemical constituent of living cell, provides a biological medium for all organisms. The main component of cell sap, which is the liquid in the organelle called central vacuole, is water. Within the cell have a semi-fluid jelly-like substance which is called cytosol. Water is also one of the main components in it. Subcellular components are suspended within the cytosol. The blood which circulates in our body and carries respiratory gases, nutrients, metabolic waste and hormones is composed of cells and plasma. Water is a constituent of the plasma. The interstitial fluid surrounding cells contains water. Water provides a biological medium for the survival of aquatic animals. Most of the above properties are based on the chemical structure of water molecule. Water molecule is a smaller polar and angular molecule. One oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms combine to form a water molecule. According to the Pauling scale, oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. Electronegativity of an atom is the ability to attract the electrons of a bond towards itself. So, in a water molecule, oxygen atom is slightly negative and hydrogen atom is slightly positive because electrons are more attracted towards oxygen. Here, an uneven charge distribution arises and it is called the polarity of the water molecule. Then slightly negative oxygen atom and slightly positive hydrogen atoms of two adjacent water molecules get attracted and forms the weak attractions known as hydrogen bonds. They are very weak compared to the covalent bonds within the water molecule. So, when the water is in liquid form, its hydrogen bonds are very fragile. Hydrogen bonds forms, breaks down and reform with a great frequency. These hydrogen bonds play a major role in maintaining all the properties of water. Four major properties of water to maintain life on Earth can be listed as cohesive behavior, ability to moderate temperature, expansion upon freezing and versatility as a solvent. Cohesive behavior. Attraction between water molecules due to hydrogen bonding is called cohesion. Attraction between water molecules and other substances is known as adhesion. Both of the above properties of water allow it to act as a transport medium. Water and dissolved substances such as minerals and nutrients transport through vascular tissues in plants against gravity with the help of cohesion and adhesion between water molecules and cellulose molecules in cell walls. Transpiration provides pull for the ascent of xylem sap and cohesion of water molecules transmits this pull along the entire length of xylem from shoots to roots. High surface tension is also due to the cohesion between water molecules. Water molecules at the surface will form hydrogen bonds with their neighbors, and however, because they are exposed to air on one side, they will have fewer neighboring water molecules to bond with and will form stronger bonds with the neighbors they do have. Then it forms a thin water film in the upper surface of water bodies. So small insects can walk on the surface of a pond. Have you seen that water climb upwards through thin glass tubes placed in a beaker of water? Why does this happen? Here, water molecules are more strongly attracted to the glass than they are to other water molecules because glass molecules are more polar than water molecules. We call this adhesion, which is the attraction of molecules of one kind for molecules of different kind. Cohesion also involves in the above situation. Ability to moderate temperature. Due to the high specific heat capacity of water, it can absorb or release high amount of relative energy by a slight change in its own temperature. Therefore, water will function as a thermal buffer in living systems and aquatic bodies during the temperature fluctuations on Earth. I think you have experienced sweating when you are in hot surroundings. The increased sweat secretion from the sweat glands promotes heat dissipation through evaporative cooling. An organism can release much heat energy with the minimal loss of water due to the high heat of vaporization. It helps to maintain the body temperature at constant level. Expansion upon freezing. It is one of the characteristic features of water. It begins to freeze and converts into ice when the temperature of water falls below 4 degrees of Celsius. When freezing, it expands, causing reduction in density. So, water has the maximum density at 4 degrees of Celsius. Hence, ice floats on the surface of water bodies. This property of water helps the aquatic organisms in polar regions to survive during winter. Versatility as a solvent. This ability is given to water due to their polarity, that is, the uneven charge distribution of water molecules. Therefore, polar molecules, example glucose, polar ionic, that is example sodium chloride, and both polar and ionic, example lysozymes, can dissolve in water. Here, water molecules surround each of the solute molecules and form hydrogen bonds with them. Solubility depends on polarity and not in their ionic nature. But there are substances that do not dissolve in water too. Example, iodine and carbon tetrachloride. That's all today. I hope you enjoy this video and gain a lot of interesting facts for your biological knowledge. So please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. See you in the next video.